Styles give images a unique look that can't be achieved when solely focusing on a subject. They bring your image to life with vivid and exciting art styles. Learning to harness the power of styles is a keystone to great image generation. We've already learned how to use styles in Fooocus, but we will learn how styles work in Automatic 1111 in this lesson. When using styles in Fooocus, we clicked on the Styles tab and selected one or more of the many different styles offered in that section. In Automatic 1111, we have the choice to either click the box below the Generate button, then scroll through the options, or type the style we want into the prompt box.
Let's look through the Focus Styles list to find a style to use for this image. The reason I've moved back into Focus is that we can get a visual representation of each style when we hover over the box. This can help us decide which prompt styles to use when we write our prompt in Automatic 1111. Once you are familiar with what each style offers, you will not need to look in Focus. For now, let's select a classical style. Here's one we can use. Art Style Impressionist will give our image that classic style we were looking for. In Automatic 1111, we will test each of our two options of adding art styles to the prompt. We will use the prompt, a fox sitting on a log in the forest, sunset lighting, vivid colors. First, we will click on this drop-down menu, and in here, we can write in Impressionism, which will search through all of the options in this drop-down, so we can then click on Impressionism Art. Now we'll click on this little clipboard icon, and that will add the style to the prompt. Now we will click Generate and see what we get. Now, to compare these options, we will remove the art style by removing all of the text it added, and we will remove the text that it added from both the positive prompt and the negative prompt. Next, we will add Impressionist art style to the end of our prompt. Once again, we can hit the Generate button and see how it turns out. And here we have a great Impressionist painting of a fox. You now have two different ways you can approach adding the stylistic elements you are looking for. Let's do another style. This time, we will try to get an anime or comic book style. There's SAI anime, MRE anime, and SAI comic book. It doesn't matter which anime option we choose, since we would type anime into Automatic 1111 for both. But it does matter whether we choose anime or comic book. Let's select anime this time, but feel free to try comic book style if you would like that better. Back to Automatic 1111. Let's type in anime art style. Now we should get an image inspired by anime. I'll click Generate so we can find out. Our image is generated and it looks great.
In this lesson, we use styles to improve the look of our images, similar to what we've done in Fooocus. We typed the style we wanted into the Automatic 1111 prompt box. Regardless of which application we are using, styles are fun to explore. Try creating some of your own images with different styles.